The laziest rice cooker hack. Savory ground beef and egg rice. $150 of rice, Japanese short grain. Wash the rice until the water runs clear. Soak it in water until ready to cook later. $30 of carrot. Finely chopped. $20 of green onions. Finely chopped. One clove of garlic. Finely chopped. One and a half tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sake. 1 tablespoon of mirin. Half tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 and a half teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of somi shantan or stock powder or bouillon. Mix well. Put the washed and well-drained rice into the rice cooker bowl. 200 ml of water. Add the chopped carrots. 120g of ground beef. Spread it evenly. Add the chopped garlic. Spread it evenly. Add the seasoning mixture made earlier. Cook it just like you would normally cook white rice. Two eggs. Beat the eggs well. Once cooked, pour the beaten eggs into the rice cooker. Add the chopped green onions. Wait for 20 minutes on the keep warm mode. Mix well. If using eggs safe for raw consumption, it's also delicious not to cook them too much. I recommend sprinkling a generous amount of black pepper. 今日の料理はひき肉と卵の炊き込みご飯でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.